So as you get more into linear functions and equations and straight lines, slope is something that becomes important and we're typically interested in. So slope is just how steep a line is. So if I'm looking at this equation here, I can tell that it is positively sloped because it's going up. If we kind of follow it, from left to right, it's going up. So this is a positive slope. If we wanted a negative slope, that would look something like this maybe. So again, as you follow it from left to right, it's going down. You wouldn't want to see your bank account or whatever go in this direction. You prefer to see it going up like that. So positive slope on the left and negative slope on the right. Well, slope has a numerical value that you can calculate. So how do you do that? Well, you figure out what is the vertical change between 2 points, and then what is the horizontal change between those two same points, and you express that as a ratio. So let's just kind of flesh it out here a little bit. Maybe that was a mouthful. I'm just going to take 2 points, maybe here and here. And I'm going to kind of draw a triangle like this. And so this part down here, that distance, that's going to be your, we'll call it run, or your difference between the x values. And up here is going to be, we're going to call that our rise, or the difference between our y values, or the vertical change. So here we have vertical change, and then here we have horizontal change. And so slope is equal to rise over run. Or you might see it written like this, your change, right? This triangle is a Greek letter called delta, and it just means change. So the change in your y values between those 2 points divided by the change in the x values between those 2 points.